Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds happy plugs joy keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. You can check it in the Bluetooth if you want to. And after that, just open the case, remove your earbuds and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case, open the lid, and at the bottom, at the right side, we have connection multifunctional button. You need to press and hold this button for at least 6 seconds until you will see white LED light. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, it starts blinking, and we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically and you need to tap on them at the device list. And we have connection. Now, check if it didn't help you. I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. Now, firstly, I will show you how to do this on iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what more visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and then you need to go to the General. Scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset, and in this window you need to select Reset Network Settings. There is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the Network Settings. So tap at this line, then write your password, and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. For iPhone, now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to the System. So scroll down, System. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have Reset options. Tap at this line and you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!